Hi, the paper graph presented in this video is great for decorating around the house. We can use it to complement other paper crafts, hang it on the wall, spice up the coasters, and so on. In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft this in the traditional way without printing anything. For people who wish to save time and get better results, please hop over to my tutorial with my assisted drawing in the link at the upper right hand corner. Let's get started. The material required is a square sheet of paper. We first fold the paper in half and then fold it in half widthwise. Unfold the paper and fold the left half of the paper in half. Unfold the paper again and bring the lower right hand corner of the paper toward the crease we made in the last step. Please make sure that the lower corner of this fold meets the crease in the middle of the paper. We are getting 60 degrees automatically because of the 1:2 ratio of the edges on the paper. In other words, arc cosine of 1/2 equals 60 degrees. Fold the left side of the paper around to form a 60-degree fold behind. Finally, fold a heart-shaped paper stack in half. We can now begin to sketch the outline for cutting. Please make sure to draw an extension line on the paper, along the edge indicated here. This extension line and the paper edge that crosses it define the maximum allowable area that we can work with. We can now proceed to cut off the openings on the paper. Just a little tip, we can put a paper clip onto the folded paper, so that the paper layers will shift less while we are cutting it. It will help the end result look better. I will also recommend gripping the paper layers firmly near where you are cutting, in order to reduce the movement of the paper layers. Basically, the less the paper layers shift, the better the paper craft looks. After all the cuts are done, we gently unfold the paper and let the side with sketches face down so that they are hidden. We can put a heavy book on top of the paper to flatten it, so that we can handle the paper better. Gently bend the V-shaped tabs backward and pull them through their opposing openings. This is it. Project complete. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Feel free to check out my other elegant projects assisted with engineered drawings. See you next time.